Hey everyone, hope you're all fine. Today I'm doing a bonus hunt and I need to log in. So I have £1,067 which will be used for the bonus hunt. I've written a few new ones down, including Call of the Wild, Cabana. I keep seeing that as Casablanca. I've also written down Dragon Hero and Hot Pepper. Oh, and 4 Secret Pyramids. Hopefully we'll get through lots of them. Let's start Call of the Wild. So it will be a bonus hunt. I'll collect the bonuses and then play them off at the end. Hopefully there'll be some wins in between. And it would be nice to get at least 8 bonuses, but I can't decide that. We need 6 or more wilds on here. I've no idea how this game plays. No gamble on it as well, which is quite rare for Inspired. Yes. Yeah, that's a bonus. Well, unfortunately, I'm not getting Fat Rabbit. Nah, White Rabbit even. Good game. I've not played it in ages and I remember that. I have Call of the Wild, Cabana, Dragon Hero, 4 Secret Pyramids, Dead Canary and Napoleon vs Rabbits. So that'll be the last we see of those two, unless they pay thousands and then I'll play them again. But the others, they're all new, so we'll see what they're like. Let's start with Dead Canary. Yeah, I like this game. I still really don't fully know what's going on with it. You know, you get the miner guy. He blows things up. You don't always see him. The parrots, the canaries blow up. I've not unlocked all 4 of them before. Yeah, a few people in the comments said this is good. I think the dynamite is restarting the lives. I'm sure it doesn't always do it. I don't know. Yeah, we killed that canary. Too soon to end now, isn't it? I might as well do a dynamite. Oh, bad if it did end now. For you. Come on. Oh, what's the rat do? That's £200. Do I get that? Yeah, I've got that. What's the rat doing to my canaries? Oh, end him. This could be a good one. It's already a good one. Is the rat going to do something again? Yeah. Yeah, and then he's collecting that up. Come on, don't end. Come on, don't end. Good. Don't kill the rat. I didn't kill the rat. Good. This is going to be huge, isn't it? think that might kill my rat. Not sure. No, it didn't. Good stuff. I don't want to find out how to get it. Like that. Ah, okay. So now he's gone. He's just reeling in that 14x, which is still fine, but it's 70 odd a minute ago. Ah, you killed my guy. Come on, dynamite. Dynamite, I'm sure I need a dynamite. Yeah. I think this is massive. He's dead. But he's gonna get rescued by a mermaid. I wonder why she got a bikini top from in the mines. Oh, excellent! Yes, 1274. Oh, what a great game! I like that game. Surprisingly, 637x. Yeah, good fun. Next, should we do Napoleon versus Rabbits then? Come in, Rabbits. Yeah, it might be the last we see of this, unless it does a really big bonus. But I think I said that the other day actually. But I mean it this time. Last video of the week as well. Alright, we got some more spins. How many do we have? 10. Purple carrot. Can't get a purple carrot though. Yeah, we need a win to touch the box or Napoleon. Oh, look, how did they all miss? Or Napoleon. They're doing very well at going round this stuff. I'm sure it'll do it at least once. I may be wrong, last chance. Yeah, no, it's just missing. Yeah, it's not as fun now. That's the end of that. It's a good game. It's just died down a bit, hasn't it? What do we have next? 4 secret pyramids. I've not played this before. You've won Desert Pyramids, 3 spins. I can gamble, can I? 23 spins times 6, 15 times 4. I'm on 17 times 5. Well, let's press that then. Oh, I have to press it. I was waiting for it to stop. I guess you hit it in the green for green. Actually hit that on red. Oh shit. Right, I got 50. Let's go for it again. How much green's there? Shit. That was stupid, wasn't it? Didn't even get to see what that's like. I thought there's so much green there. Oh, well that's annoying. Never even played that game before. Dragon Hero. It's the highest freeze. 10? 10 free spins. 18's the highest, I think it was. Right, never played this before. Oh, is he sticking around? Yeah. Nice to get a couple more done. What's the scatter doing? Oh, great. That's rubbish. Oh, last one now. 27. I'm a bit annoyed now about that secret pyramids. I'm in profit because of Dead Canary. Let's play. I've got Cabana and Call of the Wild. Let's go for Cabana. This came in really fast. Hopefully it's amazing. Times 20, yeah, after. Copper girls increased the multiplier. There's a 20. Right, I assume it always starts in 2.
Please show us what you've got.
Is she coming in when it goes golden?
Hello. Please show us what you've got.
Another 2, yeah.
Please show us what you've got.
Could use some different sound effects rather than just the same all the time. $40p times 5, nice. Oh, doubles, come on then, because they're wild. Oh.
Yes, girl.
Oh, he did say something different then. He said, yes, girl.
Pretty lady.
Wonder how many can fall in at once.
Very nice.
Oh, I don't think it's going to be a big win.
Pretty lady.
Last one, unless we get a scatter. Yeah, I assume that's the end of that.
Congratulations.
51. I don't know if that could actually pay good. Looks like a typical play and go kind of cheapy average bonus. Call of the Wild then. So this one gave me it off the mysteries. Yeah. 7 wilds. Oh, and some money. Another new one. I've not played this before. Yeah, 3 spins to collect as many wilds for the wild spin, and in the wild reset your spins. Yeah, and then what happens? Or is it just a spin? Sounds like a lot. Some more on the first reel, really, I suppose. Or anywhere. Hmm. 12 wilds in. Yeah, just Same old low. I can see this being good. Oh, is that it? Alright. I reckon it's one of those games that looks like it can be good, but actually isn't. And that was a really quick bonus as well. £61. Actually, I'm exactly 400 up. I started this video with 1067. Quite a short video, really. I may be crazy. I'm going to go for one bonus on Cops and Robbers, Big Money. So that's the end of the bonus hunt. I'm going to play this for a minute. On fortune spins. So I think fortune spins, you get more gamble chances, bigger win chances. £12, 2 doubles. No doubles. Gamble attempt number 2. Going for 2 doubles again. Fast spins a lose, I think. That was close. Oh no. That's enough of this. It's going to be a rubbish bonus anyway. The final thing I'm going to play is... I'm going to play this for a bit. I don't really understand it. Let's just try it. Yeah, I saw this when I played Who Wants to Be a Millionaire the other day. Where's the bet? There, 36, is it? Yeah. Let's do a £75 bet. I assume it still pays 36 to 1. There we go. Oh, it's an American roulette wheel. Looks like a bit of lightning roulette in it as well. Number 2 then. Not number 2. Yeah. Alright. Millionaire bonus round. 3 lives, is that? Welcome to Millionaire bonus round. Select A, B, C or D to determine how many numbers you're allocated. Yeah, I just want that. Win the spin and move up. Lose the spin and lose a life. Losing your final life ends the feature and drops you back down to the previous safety net. Safety nets are at least 5 and 10. Seems like it's a bit roulette. Oh. Basically I'm just guessing and that's £40 there. And that's 40,000. Okay, probably B. Right, so 50% chance. Oh, I get ya. Oh yeah. So I've lost a life. Yeah. So we need a big number. I was going to pick B again, but I didn't. It's fine, it's coming in. I had £3 on that zero, didn't I? Oh, shitter. Yeah, I think I had £3 on it. If it gives £8, that's just stupid. But I guess you can win 40,000. Walk away with £4. Jeez. Oh, it goes up quite high from the first safety net, look, 40, 80, 160. Well, you're not going to walk away with £8. Hundreds. 24. Come on, ball. Uh-oh. Whew. Kind of fun. I mean, look how high it goes up. But look, you'd be gambling there. 20,000, lose it all to 1280. At the moment, it doesn't really matter, does it? Need this. 15. I think we're alright. It's going in 21. Ah, 11. Have I got nothing? I got £4. No, I haven't. I'm going to play for another bonus. Let's repeat. Let's spin this again, and then I think I might just play for a bonus. Oh, there are 2 lives now. Okay. Right, we're off again. Haven't hit a single number yet. Oh, I'm 400 down now. Not 400 down, 400 since the bonus hunt. 20 something? 27, yeah. Oh, 30,000 jackpot now. It's fine. Oh, it's because I had £3 on it. Last time I had £4 on it then. But you can get a massive amount, can't you? I think that's an extra life. Oh, nice one. Yeah. Yeah. 30,000, here we come. Probably A. A keeps being low, so it's due a high. So it doesn't move you anywhere then. That's fine. We're well on target for 30 grand. A again. 25% chance. Just under, 'cause the zeros. Mind you, the zeros are good. Ah, I thought you were going to bounce into 24. Don't take all the lives. Look how much it goes up after the £30. Oh, yeah, right. I thought that was in. Is it playing with me? Does it already know the outcome? Oh, I'm on £9, aren't I? This is for 15. Took all the lives. Oh yeah, we need this and then we get a life. Going for D. I wonder what it's like at 15,000 with the gamble. If the numbers get really low. Might not go below 9. Good. Going for D again, double D. Oh, have I got 2 lives? Yeah. Guaranteed £30. Woo. Big number. Yeah, look, getting low now. It's getting a bit scared. Let's go into number 4. $14. This is fun. It's my type of game. Look how much it goes up. This is for 120. Big number. What's the highest? 12. Yeah, I don't think it's going to go past 18 numbers. 0 it. Yes. Still got 2 lives. See? 18? 15? Oh, that's good odds. I'm liking those odds. 127 or 00. 00 is probably better. Oh yeah. Oh no. This is... Now I've got one more chance, haven't I? Before it... Oh no. One life remaining. One more loss will end the bonus. I'll walk away £30. See? Come on, 30 or 0 or any golden thing. Oh no. Damn. Bumped. Let's do one lucky spin. I haven't got any of those. 400? Huh. Yeah. Oh, 3 lives. Come on then. Right, stop being stupid, game. Just go up to the 960. Yeah, I don't know. I think it might be predetermined on that. Try and get rid of your lives. That's fine. Could have done that earlier though. This reminds me of Hot Number Roulette. Anyone remember that in the bookies years ago? Had this kind of weird gamble. Well, the numbers would turn the same for the gamble. Wonder how many lives you can actually get. I assume unlimited. Oh, you cheat. Damn. Probably didn't cheat. But... it's close to 00. Oh no. Looks so close, doesn't it? Well, I'm guessing I've got £4. £3. Ugh. No. Thing is, if I was just playing normal roulette and the 0 came in that many times, I'd probably have around £300. So I just go near the 13. That'll be alright. Kinda near. Right, this is actually annoying now. I didn't get anything, did I? No, let's do one repeat. Doesn't show you the game history. Ah, well, that's going in 31. It's enough of you. Gave it a good chance. Let's play immersive roulette. I'm not going to play this for too long. I'm going to cash out at least 500, I think. That's my plan. $12 numbers covered. All around 31-ish. Around here. 31 for about 500. Or 25 for nothing. Final bet. Unless it comes in, then it's getting repeated. Oh, damn. £180, alright. Yeah, you don't really have time to adjust your bets. Oh, yeah. Took it off 19, didn't I? I'm calling it a day now, so thanks everyone for watching. I'm going to withdraw that 500. Bit annoying, obviously, that I did have 1400 after the bonus hunt. But anyway, have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye.